Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Beautiful day and I got a chance to shoot another video. Yes, this is Exact Park where I have originally tested the Manta Pro deck by Mark 1 boards. Done my jump test, well, the usual. Take a look, I'm gonna leave the video on the link in the description below. But I want to step it up. And no, Mark 1 boards don't know what I'm about to do. I'm sure he's excited and a bit of nervous. Well, hopefully it's gonna be all fine. So guys, my new DIY board is coming together really nicely. I got most of the parts. I've got my gear drives from 3D Services. I'm going to review them very soon, so stay tuned. I've got my deck, so I'm using or want to use the Manta Pro, but before I'm going to gear her up with 7,000 watts gear drive, suspension, and build a new battery for it. I want to give it a nice test. Well, 110 kilos jumping on it, that's one thing. But how about so guys, 3 ton worth of weight, massive tires, 3.2 liter against Mark 1 Pro Manta deck. This wheels, guys, 130mm long board wheels, and the trucks. They're just cheap set that came together with the board that I've used to make my Beast deck. Take a look, I'm gonna leave that video in the description below as well. This is my famous Blue Crocs jump test. Anyway, let's crack on. Let's drive over that beautiful deck and see if she will hold up. If she does, definitely thumbs up. This is ridiculous, guys. My truck is now currently sitting on the top of the Manta Pro deck. Well, she did not break. Fair play to it. Let's take a look. So here we go, guys. Manta Pro deck by Mark 1 boats, driven over and over and over by 3-ton truck. Well, the only damage on it are the indents from actual ground, because it's so heavy it was imprinting the gravel on the asphalt into the body of the deck, but she's in one piece. Did not even change the shape. Hey, look at this. Well, I'm definitely not a match to a three-time beast right there. And I bet you Tramper are now thinking, we should definitely send one of our big boys decks to Path. Let him test it out with that truck. You never know. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys are all safe and you keep it as positive as possible, enjoying your life, finding things to do when you're isolating or not self-isolating or just staying away from people. We'll beat this, the virus. We'll be riding again. See you soon.